Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the background play for the Twitch application if you wish the audio to play in the background while you are using other applications. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password, and you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through various different live streams. Now, if you wish to enable background play, then just tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on account settings. Now, from the account settings page, tap on preferences and you will now see the continue playing audio in the background option. Click on the drop down menu and make sure to choose headphones/speaker. You can also choose the always option in order to make sure that any video or stream that you are opening will play within the background. There is also the option to automatically pop out the player, which will also allow you to watch the video outside of the app when you are using other applications. You can turn this feature on as well if you want this to be enabled. And now you can open up any live stream that you wish, and when you go out of the application, the audio as well as the video will be playing in its own separate player. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on background audio option on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.